Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on the Meetup application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on this icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on this pencil button at the top again, and here you can change your profile picture by tapping on the change photo button. You have two options. You can either select one from your gallery or take a picture with your phone. And then you can also choose another name or select your location too. You can use the map if you have allowed the app to have access to your location, or you can also search for it in the search bar. As you go back, you can also add a new email if you want to, and you can choose two privacy functions such as show groups on profile and show interest on profile, and you can also edit your interests. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.